Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and that's not what I wanted to do. Let's open the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to maybe not the bottom of the list, but here we've got the section with the accounts and backup. So let me tap on it, and here as you can see we've got the Google Drive, and the only option is backup data, so just tap on it. Here we have to add the Google account, so just tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, the text messages, and device settings. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, and you will be always able to manage it whenever you want. So just tap on turn on to finish. And here we've got another backup section, so we can check how much space on the account we've got left. You can of course manage the storage right here, so you can remove some unnecessary files. Here under it you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. And you've got also advanced settings, the backup using Matter to Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because as you can see we've got the information that the charges may apply, so we want to avoid that. So in order to finish the whole step totally, just tap on the backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data which is currently saved here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google backup in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.